I am back with another video today. Did you miss me?
Seriously?
Okay, so I know sometimes I do not post as often as I should, and I'm working on it. And that's why today I brought you an update for my laser hair removal journey at home. If you're interested, stay tuned.
Child. No be here. This is waiting I get so far. That's small thing, Charlie.
Welcome! Okay, so the first thing that I do is I wash my face with just water, just to make sure that my face is nice and clean to start. Then I pat it dry, no rubbing, y'all. Okay, I should have probably untangled the cord ahead of time, so just bear with me. But once you plug it in, there is a light at the back that flashes to indicate that it's plugged in. So all you have to do is press that button at the back once to turn it on, but don't press and hold it. To increase the strength, you press the button at the back once to go up by one level. I'm going to be doing my treatment on level 2. I'm going to be using the gliding method. So basically, I press the big button at the front and I hold it down while I glide the IPL system along my face. Now, as long as the IPL system is actually touching your skin, you're holding down the big zap button. The machine will continue to zap as you move the machine along your skin. Perfect, right? I know. I actually prefer this method because it reduces the chances of you missing a spot or an area that you're treating. Y'all, look at this shine bright like a diamond blinding light. Like, a lot of people say you don't need blackout glasses. However, I close my eyes all the time when I do this treatment, so I'll be getting some because I'm trying to keep my eyesight for the next 75 years, boo-boo. Yes. And just like that, the treatment is done. So now press and hold the button at the back to turn off the device. So I'm going to be using some natural skincare products just to pamper my skin, to soften it, to heal it, and to calm it down after the treatment. Stay tuned. So first off is my 100% natural vitamin E gel, and then my black seed oil mix, followed by an aloe vera cream and natural tea tree oil. Okay, so I'm going to be using about a teaspoon amount of vitamin E gel, like you can see here. And then I'm going to add about the same amount of my aloe vera cream, like you can see here. I'm only using about 2 drops of the tea tree oil and just a little squirt of the black seed oil mix. So then I just mix everything together, make sure that it's all well combined, and then I just slather it all over my face, my neck, and anywhere else that I've treated. Now when I do this, I tend to go in an upward motion just to kind of help stimulate blood flow, but then to also kind of pull my skin up where gravity pulls it down. This is good for anti-aging and wrinkles and all those types of things, fine lines. I have excess, so I'm just going to rub it all over my body. After all, it's just cream. Y'all, I really shouldn't have done this in a towel, huh? So even though it does look like a lot of product, by the time you actually rub everything in, you realize it absorbs really, really quickly because there's nothing so heavy or greasy in this. It just leaves your skin really, really nourished. And as you can see, my skin is loving it and it is looking fresh. Now, because it's a lot of good moisturizing and nourishing products, I just make sure I get it all over my face, under my eyes where I have some hyperpigmentation, around my cheeks where I have smile lines and stuff. And then I kind of work it up. This is just a tip to make sure that, your skin remains supple and smooth. Now I'm lightly patting my face just to calm it down and to help the product absorb a bit better. This is when I realized I forgot to do the mustachio. Darn it. Okay, so now you've seen pretty much what the process looks like. You see that it doesn't take long. Honestly, you can do it in like under 2-3 minutes. It's a very quick process. I feel like I've now gotten really accustomed to the little stinging when you're doing it. So I want to say it's almost no pain now. But then I also did bring the treatment level down to 2. When I initially started, I started at 3 and I actually did develop some slight burns. We actually started off looking like kind of like 3 pimples in like a line formation. And that's how I knew that it was from this, because everywhere where maybe I had some slight irritation after I did it is where it kind of developed. You can kind of see it was just a little irritation. It was nothing big or anything for me to really stop using the product about. I just realized, okay, let me just readjust my strength. Maybe number one, my skin might not have been used to it because that was the first time that I did it. I started on 3, so maybe I should have built up. All right, yeah, my arm is getting tired. So yeah, this brings us to the end of our video. Hopefully you liked it, and stay tuned for my other videos that are coming out soon. Thank you for watching. This is Elsebrechen signing out.